guys, in this video we will be unboxing a gaming PC from Bitkart. So without wasting any other time, let's start the unboxing. Look at the packaging, it's very good. So this is going to take me 30 minutes to take out the full packaging. So my advice to keep the packing material safely in case of any issues or any things. So do not throw or take it out. So for removing the first layer I need 4 people, so I have to cut that scene. Now let's take out the second layer here. It's very difficult to remove these staples, so let me put these in time lapse and I get back to you. So as you can see here, it costed me 15 minutes to remove this, so the same might cost for you. So let me remove the third layer of packaging. So as you can see, these are the parts that are chosen. As you can see, this is the case is anti-sports frighten air and processor is i5 12600K. Now let's see the next page, wherein we have the invoice and other stuff. The third page, address and other stuff. So now let's keep this aside. Now let's see the. So this is the motherboard's case. Yeah, motherboard. Yeah, this is the motherboard's case. So we will be keeping this aside. And I guess there are no other stuff. Yeah, that is. So here we go. This is the RDX 3060 Ti's case, and this is how we get it. So we have another foam protection. So these are because their product shouldn't get damaged during the transit. And this is the Deepcool's Gamax L240 ARGB cooler, and we have got it as a folded form. So here you go, have a look at that and keep it aside. There are many other boxes here, so let me just take them out for you. And here we go, this is the power supply. This is also from Deepcool, which is the 650 watts 80 plus gold power supply. So let's keep it aside, and I think that's it. Okay, I guess it's CPSU's case, as you can see here. And that is all for this side, and here we have some more stuff. Let's have a look at that. Here, oh, look at that big case. It's liquid coolers, so this is very big, and let me clean the side. So that is it. Nothing else is there. Leftovers the PC. So yeah, this is CVO, this is the SSD, HSD I guess, and yeah, this is the HSD, Western Digital. So let me open. I think the leftover stuff, RAMs, case, and other stuff will be inside the PC. So let me just take out the phones. So I think this is totally a 5-layer protection. So let's take this out. Okay. So this is it, and unboxing this is a very long time. So save a time for the unboxing. So you will just have to slide out the case. So let's take out the packaging. So as you can see, there are a lot of phones for that. For this extra protection, we will be paying 1,500 rupees. So as you can see, this is my graphic cards, paper stuff, and this is the case, and this is the coolers, and this is my motherboard's paperwork. And here we go, this is the power supply, which is very big, and we're needing this. Now let's focus on the PC by removing all these stuff. So there we go, this is the deep cool power supply. As you can see, this is a big fat GPU right here, and there we go. As you can see, we have the RAM and other more boxes right away in the PC to avoid extra stuff. So as you can see, this is the RAMs boxes that we are using the Crosshair engines, DDR4, 3200 MHz, 8x2. These both are the power cords for the PC, and let's keep it aside and I'll look at that later. And these are the leftover phones. And guys, look, I started unboxing at 7 o'clock and now it's 8 o'clock. So in this part you need to be very careful because there are so many wires. So take them out carefully or else you might bend some wires which might cause problems. And now let's take out the old fan goes. And here we go, we got the Intel Spces, wherein I will be showing you all these boxes in another video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos and tests. And this is the SSD. I have used Western Digital SN 570 500GB NVMe Gen T SSD. And the leftover parts also will be taken out in a few hours. So the cable management is very good, and there is no dust in the PC. Yeah, it's really bad. How can I have dust? So here we go. This is the deep cool power cooler. Okay, wait. How am I supposed to take this out? So you gotta be very careful while taking them out, because just be careful or slow while taking them out, because you might remove some of the parts by pulling them out hardly or something else. So there we go, we can see the motherboard, and this is the SSD slot, and this is the CPU, and this is the RAM, wherein, okay good, it's installed in dual chamber so that we get good performance at games. And oops. How did they even put this? We can't even take it out. So stuff like this can be taken out in this method so that you don't be damaging other stuff. What if I failed? It's straight out of the hand. Peel them out slowly, because this is the RAM. You might let it what happen. Try not to do them. So after I take out everything, yeah, I'm done taking out everything. So yeah, I still did. I've taken out everything. So I will be showing you a look of the PC after setting up everything. So for now, bye.